Good morning, and this is Rick with Travel with RickandD. Before it gets too hot this morning, I just had a ladybug buzz me. We're gonna empty our dark water or black water tanks, and I will show you how we do it every other time. This is exactly how I do it, but this is how I get it spick and span clean. And on that note, I'll show you the valves that I'm going to empty, and then afterwards I use this one and clean all the way down inside to where the black water tank is. Let's take a walk around to the other side of the fifth wheel. Here we are on the other side of my fifth wheel, where all your valves are. I keep the water tank open all the time when we're docked. That way there, when we take showers, it just drains naturally. But the black water tanks stay closed until they're full. So if you can see, there's a clear piece in there, and that's what I'll watch for, the volume of material that comes out of the black water tank. And once she goes to a dribble, then I'll shut the valve inside here and I'll go up and we'll flush out those tanks with the wand that I showed you earlier. Give me a couple of seconds and we'll get this going. And this is how you clean the inside of your Well, this is Rick again, and as usual, after you've been in these things for a few years, I have developed a clog in my black water tank. I cannot find it, so what I'm trying to do right now is use an enzyme and a lot of it to try to eat up as much as whatever is in there making the clog, trying to dissolve it. I'm going to try the valves one more time and see if that works, and if not, then we're going to go to the 5-gallon water bucket routine, which is you fill the 5-gallon bucket up with water, you pick it up and you pour it down the toilet, and hopefully that forcefulness will unlodge whatever is in there that has clogged up the drain. On that note, I'll see you in a minute. Thank God it unclogged, and there's all that junk coming out of there right now. Makes me happy. So by pulling the sewer valves, everything is coming out, and I don't have to go get a snake to snake down. Once I get back inside, I'll make another pass at these things, fill them back up, and hopefully we'll call it a day. I am happy that I don't have to get into this the way I thought I was going to have to get into it. On that note, I'm shutting the sewer tanks one more time, and I'm going to go in and fill these things up again. Well, this will be the last time that I actually clean as far down as I can go with this magic wand. As you can see, comes out and cleans all the way down, as far down as I can go. But I think that's going to be it. I used a 5-gallon bucket I got from a partner next door, and the bottom had a hole in it, so you missed that. I ended up with about a gallon of water with Enzyme in it all over the bathroom area, but if you can see outside, you'll see 2 blue towels, and those blue towels were used to mop up the floor that I created a mess on. So it's never easy, and it's always something. So you can't get upset about it. You can just laugh about it and learn from your mistakes, and hopefully the next time it becomes easier, or you learn a new way to do it because it decides to trick you. Anyways, these toilets should be clean by now. I'm going to dump some more stuff down here in a minute, and I'll do that after I pull the valve one more time outside. Hey folks, Rick back again with Travel with Rick and D. After fighting with that black water tank, because we have a half bath in the front, full bath in the back, I finally got it unclogged at the cost of breaking my snake. But I got a better tool out of it. My lightsaber. Shoots out a really high jet stream of water, filled up my tank a lot quicker, and I finally got the tank unplugged. So anyways, I'll figure out some way to try to fix this, but on that note, may the force be with you. See you on the road.
Thank you for watching our videos. We hope you enjoy them. We upload new videos every week.
So don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel, Travel with Rick and D. Until next time, see you on the road.